Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve equations involving logs, where the unknown appears on both sides of the equation as a power. So in question A, you can see that the x term is in the power on both sides of the equation. So to solve equations like this, we need to take the log of both sides, and I'm going to be using log to the base 10. And by taking the log of both sides, what this allows us to do is to use the power rule to bring each of these powers down in front of a log. So now you can see we've got the 3x plus 1 times the log of 2, and the x plus 1 times the log of 3. And at this point, it's probably easiest to expand out these brackets. And now I can tidy up this term by using the power rule to bring this 3 to the power of 2. So we've got the log of 8. And then we'll move all the x's to one side, so we'll move these over to the left-hand side, and we'll move the constants, so the log 2, to the right-hand side. On this left-hand side, we can factor out the x, and on the right-hand side, we can write this as a single log using the division rule, so this will be the log of 3 over 2. And then we can write this using the division rule as the log of 8 over 3, and then we can divide both sides by that, so we make x the subject. We can work this out on our calculators, and to three significant figures, we get x is 0.413. Okay? Do you want to try question B yourself? You can pause the video, and when you come back, we'll go through the worked solution. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go. So because the 2x minus 3 and the 3x minus 1 are both powers, we'll take the log of both sides, and then we can bring each of these powers down in front of their logs. We'll expand out each of the brackets, and then we can apply the power rule to write 2 log 5 as a single log, and we can do the same here, where we raise this 7 to the power of 3, bringing this up to the top. So now we'll move these x terms to the left-hand side, and these constants to the right-hand side. We'll factor out the x on this side, and then we'll use the division rule to write this as a single log. So now we can use the division rule here and divide both sides by that, so we make x the subject. We can work this out on our calculators, and we get x is approximately 2.39 to three significant figures. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link in the description below.